Searching for a high-pressure handheld shower head feels like falling into a rabbit hole of identical products. Every listing says powerful flow, anti-clog nozzles, and luxury experience, but which ones actually work? The truth is, the real difference isn't in the photos or flashy titles. It's in the details most brands hope you'll overlook. Product number 1, AquaCare 8-Mode Power Wash. First up, the AquaCare High-Pressure 8-Mode Handheld Shower Head. This one caught my eye because it doesn't just promise pressure, it promises cleaner pressure. Priced around $38.59, it's mid-range but packed with features that actually solve real shower problems. If you want strong water flow that stays strong over time and doubles as a cleaning tool, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Hard water and mineral buildup are the silent killers of shower performance. Most shower heads lose pressure within months because grime clogs the nozzles. AquaCare's self-cleaning anti-clog technology uses a special material that prevents buildup at the molecular level, so you're not constantly scrubbing tiny holes with a pin. Plus, it includes a built-in power wash mode with both wide fan and point jet settings. That means you can blast soap scum off your tub from 6 feet away without stepping into a dirty shower. It even works great for rinsing pets, no more struggling with a weak stream while your dog shakes suds everywhere. Now, some people complained about the plastic body feeling less premium than metal. Here's the thing though, it's made from high-grade ABS plastic with a chrome finish that resists rust and fading. For the price and function, the material trade-off makes sense. This isn't a luxury spa fixture, it's a practical, high-performance tool. This is perfect for you if you live in an area with low water pressure or hard water, and you want a shower head that also helps clean your bathroom. Skip this one if you're looking for a heavy, all-metal build or ultra-luxury finishes. For under $40, it delivers serious value. Product number 2, BOZYBO 12-inch Rain Plus Handheld Combo. Next, the BOZYBO High-Pressure Rain Shower Head with magnetic docking. Priced at $68.30, it's definitely on the higher end. What stands out immediately is the massive 12-inch square rainfall head combined with a detachable handheld unit. If you want full body coverage and the convenience of switching between overhead rain and targeted handheld spray, this combo delivers. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 278 spray nozzles across both heads are designed to mimic a rainforest shower, giving you that soothing, immersive experience. The magnetic docking system is a game changer, no more fumbling to reattach the handheld. It snaps back securely every time thanks to a patented metal buckle structure. Plus, it includes 10 spray modes on the handheld, including 2 dedicated power jets for cleaning pets or scrubbing tile. The dual-flow design lets you use just the rain head, just the handheld, or both together, giving you flexibility without wasting water. Now, some people complained about installation being tricky if your shower arm isn't perfectly level. Here's the thing though, once it's mounted, the adjustable bracket holds firm and the extra-long hose gives plenty of reach. The polished finish looks sleek, but it does show water spots easily if you don't wipe it down. This is perfect for you if you want a spa-like experience at home and don't mind spending a bit more for premium features. Skip this one if you have very low water pressure. The large rain head needs decent flow to feel impactful. At $68, it's a solid investment for the right bathroom. Product number 3, BESAQO 10 Function Power Wash, coming in at $38.60. The BESAQO 10 Function High-Pressure Shower Head offers incredible versatility. It looks similar to the AquaCare at first glance, but the extra functions and built-in pause mode set it apart. If you want maximum control over your water flow, from gentle mist to intense power wash, this one's a standout. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Air-In tech boosts pressure even in low-flow homes by mixing air into the water stream, creating a fuller, stronger feel without using more water. The 10 functions include everything from pulsating massage to a full pause mode, perfect for shaving or soaping up without dripping everywhere. And like the AquaCare, it has 2 built-in power wash settings, a wide fan for rinsing and a point jet for blasting grime. The 6-foot leak-proof hose uses a double-buckle design to prevent kinking and bursting, which is a real issue with cheaper models. Now, some people complained about the rectangular shape making it harder to aim in tight spaces. Here's the thing though, the adjustable bracket is sturdy and lets you angle it precisely. It's not as compact as round heads, but the coverage is better for full body rinsing. This is perfect for you if you want a feature-rich shower head without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you prefer a minimalist design or have very limited shower space. For under $40, it's one of the most functional options out there. Product number 4, BOZYBO Dual Shower System Repeat Model. Wait, this looks familiar. That's because this is actually the same BOZYBO model as product 2 just listed again. Same $68.30 price, same 12-inch square rain head, same magnetic docking and 10 spray modes. It's not a different product, it's a duplicate listing, likely from the same seller or brand using multiple storefronts. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Seeing the same item twice can be confusing when you're trying to compare options. The features are identical: 278 nozzles, dual flow control, power jets for cleaning, but there's no added benefit to choosing this listing over the first one. In fact, buying from the same brand twice doesn't give you more value. Here's the thing though, if you like the first BOZYBO, this won't disappoint. But if you're looking for variety, this doesn't add anything new. This is perfect for you only if the first listing is sold out and this one has better shipping or reviews. Otherwise, skip this one, it's the same product in disguise. At $68, you're not getting more for your money. Product number 5, JDO 6 Setting Budget Beast. Finally, the JDO 6 Setting Handheld Shower Head at just $23.15, the most affordable on this list. Don't let the price fool you, this compact round head packs a punch. If you want strong pressure on a tight budget without sacrificing basic functionality, this is a steal. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It uses air induction technology to boost water pressure, even in low-flow homes. The 54 anti-clog silicone nozzles resist limescale and bacteria, so you're not constantly cleaning or replacing it. 6 spray modes include rain, massage, mist, and a water-saving pause mode, great for shampooing or shaving. The 59-inch stainless steel hose is flexible and lightweight, and the 360 degrees adjustable bracket lets you position it exactly where you need it. Installation takes under a minute, just hand tighten the connections. Now, some people complained about the plastic covers on the hose ends being hard to remove during setup. Here's the thing though, once you get past that and the instructions do warn you, it works flawlessly. The build isn't heavy duty, but for daily use it's more than sufficient. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget or need a reliable backup shower head. Skip this one if you want premium materials or advanced cleaning features. For under $25, it's hard to beat. So which one should you buy? The JDO wins for budget buyers who still want solid pressure. BSAQO and AquaCare are neck and neck for best value. Go with BSAQO if you want more spray options, AquaCare if you prioritize cleaning power. The BOZYBO combo is ideal for luxury seekers with good water pressure. And remember that second BOZYBO listing? It's the same product. Stick with the first one, choose based on your needs, not the hype.